Hi student, this is Ruxana Sheikh. Now today I am going to teach you question number 3 of exercise number 7.3. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of a triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Alright, see what is given? We have given a triangle and its vertices. And what the condition is given to us? That we have to find the area of a triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. See, this is a triangle, right? Let it name as A, B and C. And let's DEF are the midpoints of BC, AC and AB respectively. What is given? We have to find out the area of this triangle which is formed by joining the midpoint of the sides of the given triangle. And given triangle is ABC. And the vertices of ABC is given to us. A के vertices is 0, -1, B 2, 1 and C 0, 3. And we have to find out the area, first of all, area of a triangle DEF. And after that, we have to find the ratio of area of a triangle DEF and given triangle, that is ABC. Means we have to find out the area of ABC as well DEF. Alright. But first of all, we need to find out the coordinates of D, E and F, isn't it? To find the area of DEF. So, can we find the coordinates of D by using the midpoint formula? Because it's D is a midpoint of BC, it is given. You know that what is midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Similarly, we can find the coordinates of E and F by using the midpoint formula. Once we get the coordinates, we can apply the area of a triangle's formula to get its area. Alright, so let's start solving. So, let the vertices of, let the vertices of triangle ABC be A 0, -1, B 2, 1 and C 0, 3. And let D, E and F be the midpoints of sides BC, AC and AB respectively. Then we can find the coordinates of D, E and F by using the midpoint formula. Then by using midpoint formula, we can find first of all coordinate of D. Okay. Now see here, coordinates of D, it is x1 plus x2 upon 2. So you can see this is D and x1, x2. Here, what is x1? आपका x1 क्या है यहाँ पे? 2 है. Plus x2, it is 0, right? 0 upon 2. And how will you find the y coordinate? y1, that is 1, plus y2, that is 3 upon 2. So the coordinate of D are 2 upon 2, 1 plus 3, 4 upon 2. After reducing, you will get 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So coordinate of D is 1, 2. So coordinate of D is 1, 2. Can we find similarly the coordinates of, now coordinates of E? Say x1, x2, look at this. What is x1, x2 here? Your x1 and x2 is 0, 0. And y1 and y2 is -1 and 3. So the coordinate of E are 0 plus 0 upon 2 and -1 plus 3 upon 2. So it will give you 0 upon 0 means 0, 0 divided by 2 is 0. And minus plus minus 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 upon 2. So the coordinate of E will be 0, 1. Isn't it? So E के coordinate आ गए आपके 0, 1. Now similarly let's find the coordinate of F. Here x1 y1 2 plus 0 upon 2, x2 y2 -1 plus 1 upon 2. So let's find the coordinates of f, coordinates of f 0 plus 2 upon 2, comma minus 1 plus 1 upon 2. So 0 plus 2 is 2 upon 2 and 0 upon 2, plus minus minus. So the coordinate of f are 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, that is 1, and 0 upon 2 is 0. So coordinate of f is 1 comma 0. Right, now we have got the coordinates. Let's find the area of a triangle ABC and then area of a triangle DEF. Right, so we have to find out the area of a triangle formed by joining the midpoint. तो पहले एक काम कर लेते हैं, पहले हम लोग DEF का एरिया निकाल लेते हैं, एरिया ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल DEF. However, we have to find out the area of both the triangles because रेशो तो हमें निकालनी है. सो आपको दोनों का एरिया निकालने हैं. तो पहले DEF निकाल लेते हैं. एरिया ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल हाफ इन ब्रैकेट x1 y2 minus y3 ब्रैकेट क्लोज प्लस x2 y3 minus y1 ब्रैकेट क्लोज प्लस x3 in bracket y1 minus y2 bracket close and substitute DEF के कोऑर्डिनेट लेने हैं आपको. सो लुक एट इनटू दिस फिगर, ये देखिए आपके. सो अगर आप इसको लेंगे, ये x1 y1, ये होगा आपका x2 y2 और ये होगा आपका x3 y3 एंड सब्सटीट्यूट द वैल्यू अकॉर्डिंगली. ओके, सो द वैल्यूज आर हियर हाफ in bracket your x1 is 1, right, in bracket y2 is also 1, minus y3 is 0 bracket close plus x2 is 0, in bracket y3 is also 0, minus y1 is 2 bracket close plus x3 is 1, in bracket y1 is 2, minus y2 is 1. Okay, now let's simplify. This is half in bracket 1 multiplied by 1 minus 0 is 1 plus 0 into 0 minus 2 is minus 2 plus half into 2 minus 1 is 1. So it is half in bracket 1 ones are 1 plus 0 into 2 is 0 plus 1 ones are 1. So this is half into 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 get cancelled and the area is 1 square units. Okay, this is the area of triangle DEF. Now let's find the area of a triangle ABC. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to half in bracket x1 in bracket y2 minus y3 bracket close plus x2 y3 minus y1 bracket close plus x3 y1 minus y2 bracket close. Now substitute the vertices of ABC as x1 x2 y2, this is x1 y1, then ये होगा आपका x2 y2 और ये है आपका x3 y3. नाउ सब्सटीट्यूट द वैल्यू x1 एज 0. ठीक है, आपके सामने है वैल्यू. हाफ x1 0 y2 1 माइनस y3, योर y3 इज 3 प्लस x2 इज 2, x2 is 2 in bracket y3 is 3 minus y1 is minus 1 but minus will become plus 1 plus x3 is 0 in bracket y1 is minus 1 and minus y2 is 1. So let's simplify. This is half 0 into 1 minus 3 is minus 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 4 plus 0 into minus 1 and minus 1 will become minus 2. So it is half in bracket 2 zeros are 0 plus 2 fours are 8 plus 2 zeros are 0. So half in bracket 8 ही आएगा क्योंकि 0 plus 8 will become 8, 2 fours are 8. So what is the area of a triangle ABC? The area of a triangle ABC is 4 square unit. That's all. We have got the area of triangle DEF as well as area of a triangle ABC. And in last session it is asked find the ratio of these areas. हमें इनका ratios निकालना है. So area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC is equal to area of DEF is 1. Area of triangle ABC is 4. So your ratio is 1:4.